this video we are going to find the solutions of intermediate maths 2a, that is theory of equations. We are going to find the solution. It is fourth chapter. Okay, so in this video, so here exercise 4a and section 1, we have to find the solutions here. We will find the solution on this one, section 1. Now starting with the first section here. Before starting to the section 1, so here before starting to the section 1, so we'll discuss some important formulas or points here. So you know that second degree of equation. So second degree of equation, you know. So what is that second degree of equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this second degree of equation roots are alpha plus beta. If alpha and beta are the like roots of this equation, we'll think that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a will come, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a will come. So this is c is a constant, is a term is a x square term. Okay, so here third degree term also is there. Third degree equation. So you know how it will be. Third degree equation it will become, so ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. This is a third degree of equation. So in this we will get the roots of alpha, beta plus gamma is equal to, so what we will get here, minus b by a will get here. Coefficient of x square divided by, okay na, coefficient of x cube. Okay, this will come here. Another thing, so this will think that s1 is equal to, and this will here s2 is equal to, no, second term is equal to, here alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to, so here c by a will come here. Okay, this is coefficient of x coefficient. Okay, x coefficient, now divided by x cube coefficient will come, x cube coefficient. So this c, where this one, x coefficient, this one. Okay, in this third degree of quadratic equation here. Okay, this is second degree. Here s3 also one thing will be there, like that is alpha, beta and gamma. These are multiplication in there. It will become minus d by a. Here d is a constant term. D is a here the constant term here. Okay, by a. So constant divided by, so minus constant divided by x cube. Okay, so coefficient of x cube. So this will here, these are important roots of this third degree quadratic equation, and these are the second degree quadratic. Now fourth degree of quadratic equation is also in the, we find in this chapter. So that is fourth degree of equation. So is equal to, so how it will be means the fourth degree of equation. So it will become ax to the power of 4 plus bx to the power of 3 plus cx square plus dx plus what will come, e, constant is here, e is equal to 0. So in this s1 is equal to what will come, alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. So delta is equal to, so here what will come, minus b by e. So this is the coefficient of x cube divided by minus x cube, coefficient of x cube divided by what will come here, my x power, coefficient of x power. Okay, coefficient of x power 4. So this will come, this is minus b by a will come. So s2 is equal to, so s2 is equal to, so s2 is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta plus delta alpha is equal to minus, sorry, only c by a will come. C by a means coefficient of x square, this coefficient of x square divided by a, first term. Okay, x power of 4, that will come. So I will write here other 2 points, like s3 is equal to, so what is s3? So here alpha beta gamma plus beta gamma delta plus alpha gamma delta alpha plus delta alpha beta is equal to minus d by a will come here. So this is s3. Okay, now coefficient, this one coefficient of x, this coefficient d is equal to coefficient of x divided by a. So all a will come divided by. Now s4 is equal to, what will come, alpha into beta into gamma into delta will come, is equal to e by a, constant term divided by a. So x coefficient of x power of 4, this one. So these are the important degrees and second degree and third degree and fourth degree. So these are the important like that roots, okay, roots of these equations. These are the roots, okay, these are the equations. Now we'll we got a second degree and third degree and fourth degree. There is nth degree. So nth degree means number of terms like 5, 6, 7, like nth degree. That we will know that formula, okay. So here the nth degree expression here, nth degree equation will become like this. Which one? Like a naught x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 dash 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 will come like this, and it will become goes plus an, okay. An is equal to is called as a, okay, that is polynomial in x of degree with n, degree with n. So nth degree term, okay, this one will come here. So now this is the like introduction part where we have to learn some important in the degrees, that and that roots also very important. So on that only we are going to find the solution. Now here some other important like if we got any roots like alpha plus beta gamma, will if we know this type of like alpha, beta, gamma and roots, then the equation will become alpha minus beta, x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. So this will come here. So these are the important like this is important like equation when we have three roots here. Now if we have four roots like alpha, beta, gamma and delta here. So if we have these four roots, the equation will be x minus alpha into x minus beta into, I am going alpha only, right? So x minus delta, gamma into x minus delta. So this is equal to 0. So or else we can do like this also, like x square minus x into alpha plus beta into plus alpha into beta. So this is into whenever four roots will come, this though x square minus x into this alpha beta varna, so gamma, so like gamma in plus delta like and plus gamma delta will come. So this is the equation is equal to 0. So whenever fourth degree, this is fourth degree now, four like roots will come to fourth degree, there this we can use the this can we can use the as a like equation x square minus alpha plus beta into alpha beta into x square minus x into gamma plus delta into gamma plus gamma into delta is equal to 0. This is the equation. So these are the introductory part. There is very important this like equations and their roots also, okay. Now here we start with the first section here of fourth A first section will start here. Now first question is here. First section first question is given, form polynomial equations of the lowest degree with roots as given below. So here three roots are given, solution here. So given roots are 1 comma minus 1 comma 3 is given, okay. So we'll think that these are alpha comma beta comma gamma, okay. So these three are given here. So whenever these three is given, so we know that alpha x minus alpha, so x minus alpha x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma will come is equal to 0. This is a equation. So in this we will submit the values, this one. So it will become x minus alpha means this 1, okay, minus 1. So here x minus beta means this is beta, okay, beta is equal to minus 1, x minus 1 plus 1 will come here. So x minus gamma is equal to how much? 3. X minus 3 is equal to 0 here. So it will become x minus 1 into, so this is a minus b into a plus b will become a square minus b square, like a square minus 1 square means 1 only. X minus 3 will come here is equal to 0. So if we multiply with this these two terms, okay, it will become x into x, x square into x cube, x square into 3 minus 3x square will come. So here minus x into minus 1 into x minus x, here minus 3 1 ja plus 3 is equal to 0 here will come. So this is the answer we will get here from the first question here. Now moving to the next question here. Now second question is given that 1 plus plus or minus 2i, and here I is the imaginary number we'll also know. So 4 comma 2. So here 4 like 4 roots are given. So first root is 1 plus 2i and comma 1 minus 2i and 4 comma 2. So alpha, beta, gamma and delta. So these 4 are given here. So we have to use these things and we have to make the answer like solution here. So first we'll do here one thing we'll do. So whenever we have got like 4 roots are, we use some formula here, that is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta into x square minus x into, so this delta, sorry, gamma delta, so gamma plus delta plus gamma delta. So this will work here. So okay, so first equation multiply into second equation, like first 2 terms we will find the equation, after that first these 2 terms we will find the equations. So we'll get the, after multiplying these 2 equations we'll get the answer here. Now solution here. So here alpha plus beta, first we have to know this one, alpha plus beta into alpha beta. So first 2 equations, so this one, so this first 2 roots, this one and this one. Here alpha plus beta is equal to 1 plus 2i plus 1 minus 2i. Okay, so here this will cancel, it will become 2. Now alpha into beta, so it will become 1 minus 1 square minus 2i whole square will come here. So it will become 2 square is equal to 4, 1 minus 4 into I square will come, I square is equal to minus 1, so means it will become 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 will come. So alpha plus beta is equal to 2 will got, and alpha into beta is equal to 5 we got here. We submit in this one, so it will become so we'll do that after one, this in the we'll submit in the equation after one, after finding this one also. So here gamma plus delta is equal to, so gamma is equal to how much, 4 plus 2 is equal to how much, 6. So gamma into delta is equal to 4 to the 8 here, so 4 to the 8. Now we got these total things now. So whenever alpha, beta, gamma, delta are given, the equation will comes like this. No, so in this we'll submit the values. So here x square minus alpha x into alpha plus beta is equal to how much we got, 2. So 2, and here alpha beta is equal to how much got, plus 5. So into, so next x square minus x into, so this one beta, gamma plus beta is equal to 6 here. So gamma plus delta, sorry, so plus here gamma plus gamma into delta is equal to 8 we got here na. So this one, so if we multiply with this one is equal to 0, is equal to 0 here, we multiply, so it will become x square into x square, x power of 4 minus this is 2x will na. So here x square into this 6x, x square into 6x is equal to 6x cube, x square into 8, 8x square plus 8x square. Here this 2x is there, so 2x, so we will multiply this one, minus 2x minus 2x into x square minus 2x cube. Here minus 2x into 6x, 2 6 ja 12, x into x, x square, minus into minus plus 12x square will come here. And after that this here 2x is there na, 2x with 8, 16x. Here 5 into x square plus 5x square, and 5 into 5 6 are 30 minus 30x, and here 5 8 ja 40 plus 40 here is equal to 0. So x power of 4 will like that only will come here, minus 6x cube minus 2x cube, this only na. So it will become minus 8x cube will come here, minus 8x cube. Here 8x square, 12x square, 20x square plus 25x square plus 25x square will come. And here what will remain here, 16x plus 16x minus 30x minus 14x, okay, minus 14x here minus 6x na, 16x, how will got 2 6 are 12. Here dear students, here minus 2x into plus 8 minus 16x, so this we got means here minus 46x will come here, and plus 40 is equal to 0 will come. This is the answer here. Now moving to the next question. Now third question is given that same like second question only solution here. So we'll get the 2 plus root 3 and comma 2 minus root 3 and 1 plus 2i comma 1 minus 2a will get. So alpha, beta, gamma and delta we got here. Now 4 like roots are here. Now solution will become, so first we will find this alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. So is equal to, this will get cancelled, is equal to 4 will get. So alpha into beta. So here 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 is equal to how much we got? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 will get here. So this is a plus b into a minus b. I am doing fast only. Please understand here. A plus b into a square minus b square. Now it will become 4. It will become 3. Now what we have to find here? This is also we have to find here. Now gamma plus delta is equal to, gamma is equal to how much? 1 plus 2i plus 1 minus 2i. Here minus 2i plus 2i will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 here. So now gamma into delta is equal to, so here 1 plus 2i into 1 minus 2i is equal to, so will become 1 minus 2i square, means it will become plus 2 is equal to 3 will come here, is equal to 3 will come. So equation we know already, x square minus x into alpha plus beta into plus alpha beta into x square minus x into gamma, so gamma plus delta plus gamma delta is equal to 0 will come. So we have to submit these values in this equation, so we will get the answer here. So is here x square minus x into alpha plus beta is equal to how much we got? 4x, this one. And now alpha into beta is equal to 1 we got now, so 1. So this into, so what we have got? X square and minus x into, so this gamma plus delta is equal to 2 and here gamma delta, so plus gamma delta is equal to 3. So here is equal to 0. Now we will do multiplication of this one, x square into this total, okay, x square into x square, x to the power of 4, this x square into x square, x to the power of 4, x square into 2x minus 2x cube will come, x square into 3, 3x square, and this is 4x, 4x square, 4x into x square minus 4x cube will come, here for minus 4x minus 2x, 8x square plus 8x square will come. So 4x into 3, 4 3 is 12, minus 12x will come here. Now 1 we have to, 1 into x square, 1x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 will come. From this x to the power of 4 level like that only, minus 2x cube minus 4x cube is equal to minus 6x cube will come here, minus 6x cube will come here, 3x square and 8x, 11x square, and here 12x square will come here. So dear friends, here one thing I did mistake, this is 2i square is equal to 4 here, 4 plus 1 5 here, sorry 5. So it will become, this is 5 here, x square into 5, how much will come? 5x square will come here. So where? This one 5x square will come, and here 4x into 5, 4x into 5 means 5 for 20x, no, minus 20x will come here. So this one, okay, so 1 5 ja 5, this 1 into x will come as, now that is 5x square plus 88x square is equal to 13, this is 14, 14 plus 14x square, here this one and this one and this one plus 14x square, and minus x 12x here 24 24, here this is 20x now, minus 20x minus 2x is equal to minus 22x will come here, and plus remaining 5 is equal to 0. So this is answer here, what one? X to the power of 4 minus 6x cube plus 14x square minus 22x plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is like same second question only. So you do, and you do